Okay, today I'm going to show you a quick way to find great stocks in S&P 500. So right now we're at investing.com, and then we're going to go to the major indices tab. Next, you want to go all the way down to S&P 500, and that's where we're going to find the 500 companies we want to see. So you want to click on the Components tab right over here. And then next you want to go to Fundamental tab. And you can find it right under this title here, right next to Technical. Now just scroll down. And then go to Revenue. And here you will find, you can filter from high to low and get your highest revenue. So right now we have Walmart at 490 billion. So I usually try to take a look at companies that are over 1 billion. So those are pretty much more of your safer stocks. That's pretty much a benchmark that I decided to go by and has worked for me very well. So next we can take a look at the 3-year column under the Performance tab. Now I usually aim for at least 60%. So here you can filter from low to high, high to low. So here you go. You have some stocks that are really well over the 100% mark, which is even better. So like I said, 60% or better is what you want to aim for. And then also I take a look at the 1-year tab here and just make sure I'm choosing a stock that at least had over 20% for the 1 year. A lot of these are well over that range, so that's even better. So I usually just combine the two. Whatever stock has the 60% for the 3 years along with the 20% for the 1 year is all even better. So just write down a few stocks that you have in mind. It could be any companies that you really favor, their products, you really like what they do. Just write those down and keep those in mind as we go through each step here. So next we're going to conduct more technical analysis here. So that's how, okay, we go to the Price tab here and we go to the Volume column. So I'm really looking for volume that's at least 1 million shares for liquidity. I really want a stock that's being really actively traded. So, okay, we have General Electric at 58 million. So, and then of course I take a look at the price of the stock. Is it something that I'm willing to pay? There's stocks that are just as high, up to 1,000 per share, and you have to really consider what price really fits your budget and your needs. So price is usually the last area I take a look at, since I don't want it to stop me from picking the greatest stocks. But you should always have a budget range in mind that you're willing to pay for each share. So we can take a look at General Electric, since that's the first one on the list here. Okay. So General Electric is at $23.19. I'm just going to scroll down here. So I'm going to take a look at the 52-week range. Now I really want to look at whether the current price is at the high of the range. So this is the current price, $23.19. And then I want to go down here to the 52-week range. And that would show my low price of the whole year and my highest price of the whole year. Now, looking at the current price, we can tell is really near the low end of this range, which I really highly don't recommend. This is a stock that I would not buy. I typically buy stocks that are at the high end of the range. I want something that is always climbing up on the chart, not going down. So as you can see here, the past year has really just flew down the charts here. This is not a healthy stock at all. Okay. Again, I do want to emphasize, if the current price is at the low end of this range, do not consider buying it. Take it off your list and move on to the next stock. Also, if you want to get more education on technical analysis, as far as candlesticks are concerned, this is a pretty good indicator of how candlesticks move along the chart. You want to purchase this book called The Candlestick Course by Steve Nyssen. It's a very good book. It comes with quizzes, very practical, hands-on, to help you understand candlestick charting. So definitely that's a book I highly recommend to learn all about what a red candlestick is, what a green candlestick is, what each candlestick mean on the chart. So pretty much this was just a quick tutorial on how to use investing.com to find the greatest stocks in the S&P 500. Of course, there's other stocks you could take a look at. You can take a look at just stocks that are 52-week high, most active stocks, top gainers, all that good stuff that are not on S&P 500. But as a beginner, I highly recommend sticking to the index stocks for your safety. Well, thank you for watching my webinar, and I wish you success with investing. Have a good day.